Hello, everybody, and welcome to another technical analysis. I'm wearing my moon sun t-shirt because yes, tonight is the new moon, and I really want to be focusing on that. In my last recording, I told you that the new moon could bring some bearish momentum. Now we're just going to see how that already is playing out. So let's take a look at the charts. Let's first look at Bitcoin. So Bitcoin took a very big drop yesterday. For today, it is stabilizing. It did some, it had a little bit of bullish momentum, as you can see here, but then it just lost that again. Still 7 hours until the candle closes, so we cannot tell right away. But on the weekly candle, we already have a huge red candle. Now, I really want to refer to the Fibonacci sequence. We put it on here. Right here, as you can see, here are the levels. Let me close this Bollinger Bands. So there's this 1, 0.78, 0.61, 0.5, 0.38, 0.23. Okay, so these are natural resistance and support levels. And what we see right now is that we fell back under that 0.5 level. On a daily perspective, this here is the 0.5 level. So this black line here, and it kind of looks like we broke under and we're testing it as a resistance. So that's kind of a bearish sign, although it's still very early in the week to decide if that's a bearish sign or not. But as tonight is the new moon, I would expect for this chart to unravel more to the bearish side. So for the people that still want to buy, this is a good sign. I would give it a little bit of time until this bearish momentum really plays out, or you can put your targets and automate it, and that's what I always am. Yeah, I just always like to do that because you don't want to sit and wait and then have that doubt as you make your decisions in the market. We had such a big up. We were so much overbought, and now we're really facing down. So let's say we are facing down and we're coming down, we might head back to this 50 level where the market feels comfortable. So let's see if we will do that or not. Let's check out this Bollinger Bands. It looks also very oversold. The market really leans towards that upside of the Bollinger Bands. Still anything could happen, but I think that this could be a chance for the bearish players to really get in and buy their cryptocurrencies. And as we are seeing this happening to Bitcoin and this bearish momentum happening, I'm very happy this played out because I'm still have something to invest, and I really wanted to do that. Maybe this is my chance. Okay, so Ethereum already made a bearish engulfing on a weekly. Still, we have 5 days, 7 hours to go, but this already looks like a good start. It kind of looked like we overbought this triangle and we went over this triangle, and now it seems like we're again under this, so it might have been a fake out. And my hopes are still up on the price of $900 for one Ethereum. I know it is low, but let's hope it goes there so we can all buy there. Ripple is also showing very bearish. Dogecoin also. Cardano is actually holding on very strong, but on a daily basis, you can see that it's just rejecting this level in order to go down again. It was very overbought here. So I think the markets are on the bearish side. It's just very happy to see this chain link finally moving to the downside because it was so high. I just didn't want to buy. I was just waiting for the market to come down, and if it crosses this 12.5 border, then it's gonna go down to 10, and that's really 10 is really where I want to start buying. XDC is showing a very bearish signs, which is good for the people that still want to get in, and then these altcoins basically all showing these same patterns, these same things. Let's take a look at the total market cap, which also got a plunge yesterday. So a very bearish sign, but we had a rejection here on this major resistance, which was the support. Let me just show you better. Yes, so you can see here it was support, here it was resistance, support, and here it becomes resistance. So this is really just a way for the market to say that it's over with the bearish trend, but it still has to get that relief, you know. If we would go into a very bullish momentum from this point on, we would not go as high as we would go if we take some rest right now and then go into a bull run. I still don't think that it's going to be for early 24 or just still this year, this bull run. So we just got to wait and invest at the right time. For the people that want to de-risk a little bit, you can do that. The markets are still high, and I think we might see some red these coming days as the Bitcoin dominance also looks like it's gonna fall. So first Bitcoin's gonna fall, and then the altcoins are gonna be dragged with it. And I also told you about this DXY, or the dollar index, which seems to be at the rise at this moment. So it's gonna go up at this moment, and it just everything indicates that this market is ready to go up, and as its opposites correlated. So it's correlated against each other. That means when the DXY goes up, gold, Bitcoin, crypto in general might go down, okay? So it's the other way around, and dollar seems to be growing stronger these days. So be careful with your crypto investments. De-risk a little bit, and what do I mean by that? Let me just stop the screen sharing and go here. Okay, you can de-risk a little bit. Let's say your average is below the line where cryptocurrency is now, or the prices are now. Let's say you bought Bitcoin at 20,000 and Bitcoin is now like at a good price, okay? You doubled your portfolio. You can get out something that feels comfortable between 10 and 40%. Get it out, okay? And then you can maybe invest lower when you have confidence in yourself, of course. So de-risking in some coins like, let's say, Litecoin, Cardano, Ethereum. No, Litecoin not, I'm sorry. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Chainlink, all these coins who had a major pump, AVAX. There's just so many that already had a huge increasement. Get some out just to have some security if these prices are above your average buying price. And that's the best advice I can give you now. I say we wait and see how this plays out. I would say have a new happy and a good new moon. It's time for a new start, and hopefully you can fill in all the desires you want of the markets. I see you back in a week or two, and then maybe you can like and subscribe, follow our channel for more updates. There's also a lot of fundamental updates coming, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I see you next time. Bye.